Hi, my name is Taylor with Valleyscape. Today I wanted to do a short video about how to change a pop-up sprinkler head. This is the way we've done it for many years, and I'm going to show you what you need and how to do it. So to begin with, the most important part is a trenching shovel right here. It's a 4-inch trenching shovel. We find that this works best to make a cut around the sprinkler head. You'll need your new sprinkler head and then your new nozzle. In this situation, we're using an MP rotator that was here before because it's expensive and still works, so we're going to reuse that same nozzle. So let's start with how we do this. So we're going to take the shovel, push it in. Be careful when you push in. There's pipes. You don't want to break pipes. Try to keep it together as a clump. Go all the way around the sprinkler head. I've got this pre-cut, so it's going to go a little smoother. And then just use the shovel to pull it out. Grab it like this. It's a nice clump there. And then just get a little bit more of this dirt out so that you don't make a mess when you pull the old sprinkler head out. Just like that. You're going to get a little dirty. So pull dirt away from the sprinkler head as much as you can. Just like that. Move it around a little bit. Clears it out. Pull the old one out completely. Here's our new guy. We want to get that in as soon as possible. We don't want to get dirt in that pipe. That is probably one of the worst things you could do. And this is a flush cap. This comes off. And our new nozzle goes in. In our case, a used nozzle, but it's still good. So we put that on. We're then going to make adjustments. We'll go ahead and bury it back together here. Get all the dirt back in first. Pack it in a little bit. And then you take this clump, put it back, push it down. You can step on it if you want to. Try to make it look like you weren't there. Clean it up, and that's it. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you is a couple tools you may need. They're specialty tools. We will have a link to them in the bottom. This is called a riser puller. This is going to help you if you need to pull out the little pipe underneath the sprinkler head. This is a specialty tool called a pop-up puller, and what it allows you to do is, not if it's a really sandy environment, you can use this to push into the pipe, and this piece twists and pulls the sprinkler head out so that you keep it really clean. It's made by Underhill, and it is a nice product to have. It's called an Easy Pull. That's what it is. So those are your items. That's what you can do, and it's just that easy to change sprinkler heads in your backyard.